doing my laundry, which was desperately needed. I decided not to take a zero in Duncannon because basically everything's closed on Monday. The Doyle restaurant, the pizza places, goodies. And if I'm taking a zero, I want things to be open. So I think I'm gonna hike out and stay at Darlington Shelter tonight. I'm gonna do a quick resupply. I'm getting my laundry done. I'm gonna try to get out of here sooner than later because it's 11-mile hike. Thank you, Bonfire, for the coffee because I needed it this morning. We had a great time last night at the Doyle. I took some pictures. The freaking duct tape was hilarious. Oh my God, I can't stand it. So yeah, so far it's been good. Already made some trail friends. And man, it's been fun. I'm tired though, so this hike out today will be interesting. Okay, check in later. All right, so it's 6 after 10, and I am heading out. Thank you, Duncannon, for a great stay. A lot of fun. Say goodbye to Earl. He's sending my regards to Duct Tape, who's still sleeping. That mountain in front of me, that's what I'm climbing. Oh boy. Here we go. It's a pretty steep climb out, but at least they have these rock steps which help, but going all the way up. So I've been out here for an hour and I'm 1.8 and I'm about halfway up. I got another 400 feet to climb to Hawk and then another couple of 100 feet to climb after that. But I think it's, after Hawk there's a little bit of a push and then it's just gradual. So yeah, not so bad. Train's not so bad. I'll take it. Just taking it easy today. Found a big rock to sit on. My legs are tired and they were supposed to rest today, so I'm just gonna take it slow. I will definitely get to the shelter before it gets dark. All right, check in later. It's windy, but this is Hawk Mountain or Hawk Lookout. I don't know if it's Hawk Mountain, but it's Hawk Lookout. Where I just came from. Alright, so I made it to Cove Mountain Shelter. It's 12:45, Darlington 7.2 away, so I should be doing okay. I'll be getting there just as it starts getting dark, but that's okay. Still rocky up here. I really can't get a good rhythm going. I'm hoping that some of these rocks clear out. I'm going to eat a little bar or something as I'm hiking now, and I will check in later. Nice view. Honestly, this is not what you want to see at the end of a hiking day. Come on, okay, it's 2:52 and I have 3.7 to the shelter. I'll probably get there at 5. I just did a big downhill, but I have a huge same of the uphill is the downhill. I have to go up to Darlington Shelter, so it's going to take me a while because I'm not hiking fast today, especially on the incline, and especially because I'm carrying so much water again. The sign here says the Darlington, on that tree, says the Darlington Shelter's water supply is not reliable. So take water here, which is what I'm doing. Alrighty, moving on. Check in later. This is totally unexpected. I didn't think I'd be seeing this yet, but this is really pretty. Pennsylvania sure is pretty. Okay. It is 3:36. I have 2.2 to the shelter. Bye, pretty pastures. We're back into the woods. You sure were gorgeous to look at. Just made the end of my hike for the day. Really worthwhile. All right, so we are wrapping it up. I got to the shelter about, well, really it was like 4:50, but I didn't see the sign for the shelter. So I continued on past the shelter, and then saw a sign saying Darlington Shelter that away, which was past where I'd already gone. So I hiked back to it and got myself set up. Dinner is cooking. I have my tea, which is usually what I do at night. The other day I was just craving coffee. I miss my coffee, my bonfire, and I have it. I'm gonna have some tomorrow morning. So I'm all set up. This is a really nice shelter. I'll take a picture of it in the morning. I was just getting dark, so I wanted to set up as much as I could. It is now 5:48 and it's pretty much pitch black out. I'm the only one here, and it's clean. There's a bear box, a privy, these bunk beds. You're not sleeping on the floor, which is real nice. And I'm looking into having a good night here. So I will check in later. Tomorrow's, I think it's like 7 miles. I might go 8 into town because I'm doing a 0 on Wednesday when it's supposed to rain. All right. Woohoo. That's the moon from the shelter. Oh, maybe I can't see it right on this video. I'm trying to take a picture of it. It's so pretty.